I'm about to show you how to make a delicious, easy 5-minute feast. This is going to seem a little alarming. Okay, so I ran into my first problem. Try not to shred my thumb. Buenas tardes, guys. Welcome to the Puerto Vida kitchen. Today I'm doing what I like to call a 5-minute feast. We raised 6 kids with a ton of activities, and there were many days when we had almost no time at all to prepare dinner. But we did like to feed our kids good, healthy food. Even though I didn't have 6 kids to take care of today, I was welding all day, and now I'm tired and I want to just throw something quick together. So we're going to do baked paprika chicken and potatoes, and it's super easy. All you need is chicken, potatoes, an onion, some garlic. I've got paprika, black pepper. I'm going to throw in a little black garlic and my coarse sea salt, of course. We can get this thrown together and in our dish in under 5 minutes. Thrown in the oven at 350 degrees, and in about an hour to an hour and a half, we're going to have a savory, delicious meal that's healthy and super easy to make. So let's get started. I like to just rough cut the potatoes. I don't care what shape they have, as long as they're not too thick so they cook. Otherwise, they get nice little crispy ends. We like our crispy ends. You literally just let them fall wherever they go. You want to fill in the gaps between the chicken. Fill in the gaps. I usually need my husband for that one. So back in the day, when our kids were younger, on any given day, we would be rushing home after school with them, having to get them ready for piano lessons, baseball, army cadets, dance lessons, gymnastics. Many days we had multiple activities to get kids to. We'd have to, it was always super important to us to have dinner together as a family, even if it was just quick. So I tried really hard to come up with meals that were fast and easy to throw together, that would get us to the table and back out the door in time for everything else we needed to do. This was a family favorite. The good thing is you can, even if you don't have the hour to hour and a half bake time to wait for it, this is easy to throw into a crock pot and it'll still come out really good. I like it baked and crispier than the crock pot does, but sometimes the way I would accomplish that is I'd throw it in the pan in the morning, frozen, like the chicken frozen with the potatoes and all the garlic, and I'd throw it in the oven with foil on it and set the timer to get started before we got home. And then by the time we got home, it was cooked already. It took like 5 minutes to throw together in the morning while I was packing the kids' lunches. And then we had nice crispy chicken. Okay, I'm not gonna have room for the rest of the potatoes. So the onion, this just gets rough cut too. Really super easy. Oh, hello, Todd. Yeah. I just gave him a nose full of onion. Held the onion up for him to sniff. He did not like that. Woo. Well, I got him off the counter. Now time for our garlic. I have minced garlic in a jar also. That's good. You can, I like the whole cloves in this because I love, once they're baked, coming across them with my chicken. Baked whole clove of garlic is one of the best things ever. I always just, for those of you who don't know the trick, you take a clove of garlic, put it down, smash it just a little bit with your knife. It busts it open and it breaks all the flavor out of it. That's how you get flavor seeps out. Makes it super good. It's a trick my old cooking teacher from high school, Miss Carney, taught me. Miss Carney. She was a great old bird. Super lady. Nicest lady you ever met. She used to say, "Don't call me Mrs. Carney. Mrs. Carney is my mother." But Miss Carney is the one that imparted to me a real love for cooking. So for that, I will always be forever grateful. Now we're into black garlic. Oh, how do we do that? Black garlic. I managed to find this in the store last week just by chance, and I can't believe that I found it here. Like, black garlic was hard to come by in Canada when we lived there, but to find it in Costa Rica was like incredible to me. But look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got this soft, spongy texture. It has a really beautiful nutty smell. A nice, rich, nutty, almost sweet flavor too. If you can pick some up, I absolutely recommend it, especially with something savory like this. You will not regret it. A little bit of black pepper. Paprika. I like to be generous with this because I really like paprika. And then our coarse sea salt. Ooh, I'm making a mess. A little bit of olive oil on that. And then I'm going to throw some foil on top so it cooks faster. Helps bake the chicken. And that's ready to go in the oven. About 20 minutes before it's done, so in about an hour, I'm going to take the foil off and I'm going to take a couple of forks and sort of spoon those potatoes underneath the chicken so that I can bring the chicken to the top. That way the skins will brown nicely in the oven. But for the next hour, I'm going to wait and let it bake. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I've had it with the foil off for the last 20 minutes to warm up or brown up the chicken, and it looks like it's ready to serve. Just look at that. It smells amazing. So, you can throw carrots in there. You can use sweet potatoes instead if you like. There's a whole pile of possibilities. We like it nice and simple like this. I'll serve this with a little side of sour cream just for that little extra kick. But otherwise, there you go. Simple, fast, delicious, healthy. Can't go wrong.